Hey, it's Mosh, Bari. Welcome to this video. From this video, you will learn how this website lifehacker.com makes money. They basically makes $15 million to $25 million per month from a simple blog, and we're going to dissect how they make money, and you can follow the same principle and make money as well. Are you going to make millions of dollars overnight? Probably no. But from this video, you are going to learn how to make money in this way, simply step by step. So if you closely look at this website, this is a blog. They have a simple domain, and the domain is hosted in a hosting server. So you need a domain and you need a hosting server. And then if you look on the top, they have categories: latest, food and drink, tech, health, money, home, parenting, work, relationships. So it's a mix up of a lot of things, not one niche. So if you want to go to that model, go all the way and do it. Add all those categories in your blog site. Then you want to add content. Before we add content, let's see how they create their content. This is one of the content or article. So this article has, first one is a headline or a title, and then this one is a sub-headline. Now we just don't want to analyze any content. We want to analyze the contents that are getting the most traffic. So from visitors' point of view, this is the content or article that was published on 2014, a long time ago. Gets around 65,000 visitors per month. So more than 2,000 visitors per day. What do they have? They have a title, of course, and back then they didn't have any subtitle. This is a simple YouTube video, and this video was published in 2013, around 9 years ago. And got 459,000 views. And interestingly, if you look deep into detail, this article or content doesn't have much text. It has a title, a video, and 4 small size paragraphs. And by far, tenting is the top keyword that they're getting traffic from. Now next one, let's look at something that has got a lot of engagement on Facebook, because they're getting a lot of traffic from Facebook. You can see from the marketing channels, they get a lot of social traffic. And in the details, 38% of social traffic is from Facebook. Okay, this is one of the contents or articles that got a lot of engagements on Facebook. 16 places to legally download or stream movies for free. I don't know whether it's legal to share this kind of content, but they did, and you can see it has slideshows. So it's like kind of carousel that's used on Instagram, and sometimes I saw on Facebook ads. One title, one subtitle, image, and a little bit of text to explain what's in the image. Then click Start Slideshow, and they have 17 images. Every section or every slide comes with one image and a little bit of text explanation of what it is. Go to next one. This is another slide, same type, same quality. Another one, awesome. So it looks like a lot of people are looking for this kind of content. And this kind of content, like stolen, where you can steal or share your stolen ideas, content, are super engaging on Facebook. The next one, highly engaged on Facebook, is this. The difference between streets, boulevards, avenues, and other roads. Probably because it's a bit confusing information. Most people don't know what are roads, streets, boulevards, avenues. And again, interestingly, it's a very small chunk of text. A little image, either from any stock site or from a royalty site, but edited of course. 2 paragraphs and small definition of each type of road. Oh, as a conclusion, they added a little bit of text again after this. Alright, so how do they get traffic from Facebook? This is their Facebook page. Facebook page is basically for businesses. And when you use this Facebook fan page or Facebook page, Facebook puts this content more to the people who are already engaged on these pages or likely to engage with this page or its contents. So what they do is first simply publish a content here, and then they share the content on their Facebook page. And people on Facebook literally just look at this. 2.4 million people have already engaged, have been following this page. And people are clicking on this link and link here and link here. They don't add much text or anything else to lure people to their content. Simply dump the content link on Facebook, and that's it. Now, if you look at their job openings, they have huge opening And they are big numbers and big names. Senior reporter, The Root, senior writer, life hacker, staff reporter, video lead, The Takeout branded. So the summary is you cannot just make $15 million to $25 million sitting behind your computer without getting help. You need to think step by step. Today you start getting 100 visitors to your content by using the same principle. As your revenue grows, you hire more people, build relationships with JVs or affiliates, writers, creators, and build a company to grow to $10 million, $20 million per month. This is neither easy nor impossible, but it's simple. You need a website and you need share-worthy content. What content? Your competitors can tell you what content. Trends can tell you what content. But again, it's not easy nor impossible, but it's simple. Get a domain, a hosting server, install WordPress, a few plugins, important plugins like SEO plugins, social share plugins, maybe these carousel plugins, and that's it. Start creating content your own, make some money, build your team, make more money. Show this to investors, get more money, get investments, put it on building your website and make more and more money. Hit your money goal, enjoy your life. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Share this video with your friends and family to inspire them to work on how to make money online. It's easy, they just need to learn and use. Simple principles. And we will see you all in the next video. By the way, if you engage in this video, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next money making video.